Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Camry XLE V6. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a head-turning celestial silver color. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.5-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of upgraded 18-inch wheels. Included in your XLE V6 package is your 360-degree bird's-eye view camera, your panoramic moonroof, as well as your heated front seats for the ultimate comfort. Helping you into your Camry is your handy smart key system. It has the lock, the unlock, the trunk release, and the panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have a stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror. You also do have your puddle lamp underneath. What we're going to do is we're going to lock up those doors now, and by simply putting your hand across the handle, it will unlock for you. Now this particular Camry has this stunning gray interior, just adds that sophistication. You have your illuminated entry there. You're seeing your gray leather trim. You also do have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. On the side here, you have your convenience options like your fully automatic high beams, your 360-degree bird's eye view camera. You also have your traction control, your trunk release, and your gas door release. As you can see below, you have a full set of all-weather floor mats to keep everything nice and tidy, and both your driver and passenger side are power adjustable. And this is the true showstopper of your Camry. Check out that gray leather interior. The detail put into it, absolutely stunning. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide panoramic moonroof, which will definitely change the driving experience for everybody in your new vehicle. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Camry with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake there and hit that push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool ambient lighting, as well as your welcome screen that opens up for you. Check that out. Right now, your multi-information display is open to your Toyota Safety Sense features and your Star Safety System. You can set the sensitivity of your sensors, turn on and off the alerts from your steering wheel mounted controls. You also do have a heads-up display, which does show up from over top of your steering wheel. You have your hands-free calling, your voice command, and your volume control, as well as your cruise control and mode changers mounted to your steering wheel. You have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from your steering wheel as well. You have that nice leather wrapped finish. You also do have your LCD screen over here. Right now it's asking you to update your Intune app suite, which you can sync with your phone and open up things like your Scout as well as your radio apps. Now opening up your audio system, you can see that you have your AM, FM radio as well as your Sirius XM radio. You have your Bluetooth audio and your USB auxiliary input, plus that CD player on top, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse here, you can see that you have your parking sensors on your front bumper. You also have your 360-degree bird's eye view camera, plus that backup camera, so it's an all-encompassing system to keep you aware of your surroundings. Now what we're going to do is we're going to shift into drive, and you can see that you also do have a front view camera as well, so that's definitely going to help to protect all aspects of your vehicle. Now you can also manually turn on your 360-degree camera, which does a full walk around of your vehicle before you even move out of your space. And it's a cool feature that you definitely have to come in and try for yourself. Now below here you see maps, so we're going to press that, and that's going to open up your navigation system. Definitely going to come in handy, especially when you take that summer road trip. So come on in, punch in your home address, and see how easy it is for you to use. Below here you can see that you have your dual zone climate control, so you can set a different temperature for your driver and your passenger side. It's also electronic automatic, and you have your air conditioning, which is definitely going to come in handy to keep everyone nice and cool during those Alberta summers. Below here you have your USB auxiliary input as well as your 12-volt DC charger. You have plenty of media storage below there, and putting that cover over, you can see that it's also your Qi wireless charging station, so you turn it on and off from here and place your phone on top to have it charge wirelessly for you. You have your leather shift knob as well as that chrome detailing on your cup holders. You have your different drive modes as well as your park hold, your brake hold, which helps to hold that brake before you can get started on a hill and you won't feel your vehicle rolling away from you. You have your modern parking brake. You also do have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. Inside your center console you have 2 USB chargers, plenty of space to store everything that you need. And here's a better look at that dashboard there with that trim and that complementing gray leather just stretching all the way across and tying all of that graceful beauty together. Inside your glove box you do have a lamp inside with all your manuals, so you know everything there is to know about your Camry, plus that lock to keep everything nice and safe. Plenty of functional features built right into your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Camry. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you. A nice convenience feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your sedan. You also do have your quick release 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. You have your cargo lamp in there for visibility. You also do have your tools, your jack, and your spare tire storage underneath in case anything does happen on the side of the road. On the side here you can see that you have those hooks to install your cargo net that comes with your Camry. You also do have that emergency release from inside. Closing it up now. Checking out that backup camera underneath there. You also do have your parking sensors on both your front and back bumper. And for added style, you have those chrome tipped dual exhausts to tie everything together with the XLE badging on the back. As we take one more look at the back of your Camry. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Camry XLE V6. Built right into your vehicle is your Toyota Safety Sense features. You have things like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to protect everything that's important to you. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail. And until I see you next time, drive safe.